Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we'll be finding out who the winner is. Who's going to take home the copy of Naming the God, as promised in my previous video from the Wordy Witch. So huge congratulations to Fairy Tale Poet. Please do get in touch and I'll be sure to get your book in the post to you as soon as possible. And thank you as well to everybody that took the time to enter. I'll be sure to do more competitions and giveaways in the future. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!